Hi friends, I'm Marisha, or Jojo, or Joe, and I recently moved to Dubai for the plot. I'm originally South African, and 4 months ago I moved to Dubai for work and a little bit of play, but I've been missing out on a lot of the play, and this is why we're here today. Welcome to my first vlog. I figured if I start vlogging, I will be forced to find creative and interesting ways to spend my time here in Dubai. And so this vlog might be more for me than anyone watching this, but if you're watching this and you enjoy it, that might help me a little bit more. Working is great. My job is amazing. My work environment is amazing. My boss, amazing. But if you don't have a little bit of play and a little bit of downtime in between, you're definitely going to wear yourself out. You might get depressed, and it's easy to do that in a city where you don't know anyone and you're brand new. So if you're watching this, and if you're gonna continue watching this, come with me on my journey to discovering Dubai and all of its glitz and glamour. I was in an Airbnb for the first month when I got here. It was a little bit outskirts in Dubai South, not very close to the city or any shops or anything. There were just like a couple cute little stores nearby, but it was very quiet. I think it showed me a different side of Dubai, and I had assumed that was what it was about, but there's a big world out here. It's big, it's confusing, it's convenient, it's luxurious, it's easy, and I feel like Dubai spoils you. So I'm afraid of what's gonna happen when I get back home, because the standard of living here is so incredibly high. Even something that you would consider low standard of living is still higher than a lot of other countries, which brought me to my apartment. I was blessed enough to have my company sponsoring some of that, and I couldn't have been happier. So let me show you around. This is Jojo's humble abode. Honestly, for the price that I got it, it's extremely spacious. Like, there's quite a big space for just one person. It came with almost everything that's in here. This is a fully furnished apartment. Obviously not the bedding, but the bed came with it. So did the TV. You'd have to get your own Wi-Fi and TV bundle, and you can get that together. Came with the couch and the table, and this little table where I can do my work here. The kitchen space, incredible, comes with the fridge and the washing machine. The only thing was gas. There's a really high deposit for gas, so I decided to buy myself an air fryer at first. I got this cute little stove, which is incredibly efficient and helps me out a lot. It gets extremely hot. I'd say the only downside to living in Jumeirah Village Circle is the traffic, but living here has been very different. In South Africa, it's not very safe. I wouldn't think to rent an apartment on my own. Downstairs, there's a little grocery store, and it opens until 2 a.m. You can walk out there at any time of the night, and it's very safe. So far, I've just been settling in. I've been trying to figure out the Dubai market for the job that I do. I'm currently in marketing and a couple of other job roles, which is very exciting and challenging at the same time. I'm just incredibly blessed to have gotten this opportunity and to have been relocated from the position that I was in South Africa with My Fitness. We sell gym equipment. If you ever want to check out our website, www.myfitness.ae. It's been an incredible opportunity for growth, and growth doesn't mean exciting continuously day after day. It also means challenging. It also means discomfort. It also means pain, and growth pains are an important part of life. So I'm excited to start showing you the rest of what's going on here, and I hope you stay with me along this journey.